Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do something very new for my channel, which I've never done before, which is take you guys on a cooking experience. Now, I am no cook. I've never really cooked in my life, but now that I have kidney failure and I'm on end stage, I need to follow something that's called the renal diet, which means I need to read nutrition labels, but more importantly, I need to start making my own food, because when you make your own food, it gives you more control over the ingredients. And that's really important, because even if I eat out and I try to pick healthy options, I don't know what's happening in the kitchen. I don't know how much salt they're using. I don't know if they're adding sauces that have a lot of potassium or phosphate or phosphorus. So it's become a bit of a nightmare to eat out and have to always worry about what I put in my body. Because again, unlike before, potassium and phosphate, if I have too high quantities, it can now cause significant damage to my body. So this is a bit of a lifestyle change, but I figured I'd take you guys on the journey with me, since one day, you might be in a similar situation, God forbid. But to start, in my little makeshift kitchen, since I'm living out of a hotel right now, I got a air fryer, which I don't even know what to do with this, but I did buy some peppers and onions, which I'll probably try in this machine, which will open soon. And then I also have this Hamilton Beach indoor grill, which is what I'm gonna cook my food on. Now, for my first meal, I went to DaVita.com, which is the largest dialysis center in the US. I think they have like 2,600 locations. And on their website, they have a lot of nutritionists and dietitians who come up with renal diet approved recipes. So people like me can just go on and follow them. And the best part is they're simple and they're pre-approved. So I don't have to really dig into the ingredients too much. So the option that I picked today were these hamburgers with onion, egg, and Mrs. Dash Chipotle sauce. So here is the Southwest Chipotle seasoning I'm gonna be using. This is gonna add a lot of flavor to the dish. And then I got, oh boy, I got some lettuce for the burger. Obviously you need some lettuce. I got peppers and onions pre-sliced, because that just saves me one step. And then I got 1.35 pounds of lean ground beef. These are gonna be my burgers that I'm gonna be using today. The recipe also calls for an egg. So I have Eggland's Best. And look, none of them broke. I'm pretty proud of that none of them broke on the way here. Okay. And that's it. Those are all the ingredients, guys. So this is gonna be super simple recipe. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the hamburger buns, 6 total ingredients. And this is gonna be enough food for 2 meals for me. And the potassium and phosphorus levels and the sodium levels are all reasonable, because I'm not adding any salt to these ingredients. So I am really excited to try this meal. No cheese, unfortunately, because cheese is not the healthiest for kidney dialysis patients. And also no bacon, because that also has a lot of, I believe, phosphorus and potassium. So, it's not gonna be the kind of burger that I'm used to, but these are the kind of adjustments that I'm gonna have to make. And so, yeah, I'm kind of excited to do this. So let's get started. I'll be back once I open up these packages. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So because this is my first time cooking, I don't have the proper utensils. This is not my house. This is a hotel room, a studio. So this does not have a kitchen. So this is the most budget cooking show on YouTube. So if you guys are looking for a professional cooking show, leave my channel, all right? Go to the Food Network, Food TV, go to Gordon Ramsay, because this is just gonna be bachelor budget cooking for you guys, all right? So these are my utensils that I had available, because I forgot to buy them at Publix. Fork, knife, and plastic spoon. And I thank God that Wawa gave me these in the delivery, extra stuff. So thank you, Wawa. You guys always come in handy. So let me pull up this recipe for you guys so I can kind of figure out what we're doing. So this recipe is called Lisa's Awesome Burgers. 4 portions, 1 serving size is 1 burger. So I'm making 4 portions, which I'm gonna have 2 burgers right now. So it'll be 2 servings for me. And the diet types, diabetes, as well as dialysis. And just to review, ingredients: 1 pound lean ground beef, 1 cup sweet onion, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons Miss Dash Southwest Chipotle seasoning blend, and 4 hamburger buns. I'll also make sure I put the link here in the description. Now, here is my beautiful new Hamilton Beach grill. Ooh la la. It's kind of like the George Foreman grill, but it was rated a little bit higher. So I opted for it. Now the first step is they want me to plug it in and let the thing preheat. So we are gonna do that right now. All right, the power is on. It is now preheating. This is good news, guys. And then what I need to do is finally chop my onions. Well, good news for that, the onions have already been chopped. These peppers and onions that I bought are microwavable, so I'm just gonna throw this in the microwave for, it says, 3 to 4 minutes. Boom, easy. We got the peppers and onions cooking, and now we are going to fry up these burgers. Hell yeah. Oh, it's already hot. Beautiful, beautiful. That is lovely. Burgers are cooking nice. Looking good. So guys, I'm gonna modify this recipe. I think I was supposed to like put the eggs with the burger and mix it all up. I'm just gonna fry my eggs on this pan and make 2 eggs for myself. And I'll put each egg on each burger, so it's gonna be like a fried egg on the burger, and then I'll sprinkle the Mistache seasoning. So that should be just as effective, and then I'll throw some lettuce on. And this should be a pretty damn good freaking meal. I'm not gonna lie, I am already very impressed with myself. And I went on Amazon, made this purchase, shipped it to my hotel, and here we are, guys, doing a cooking show, my first one for you guys. And we're gonna call this, I don't know, I gotta come up with a name, but by the time I post this video, there'll be a name for this. And if you guys enjoyed this content, like, comment, share, and let me know if you want me to do more cooking shows. Why not? This is my new life. Why not? All right, so the peppers and onions are ready to go. They are on fire. This box is so hot. Holy shit. Man. Whew. All right, so we got peppers and onions heated, ready to go. That's good news. We got the buns, we got the meat cooking, and then I'll make the eggs real quick. We'll throw in some Mistache, some lettuce, bada bing, bada boom. How you doing? We're gonna have a nice meal today, me and you guys. So again, if you like this, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, especially if they also have kidney problems, because I'm gonna be making kidney-friendly meals, you know, because that's unfortunately what I need to do at this point. All right, so now I'm gonna flip the burger with my ghetto utensils. Come on, flip. Here we go. Let's get all that fat out these burgers. Hell yeah. I'm probably gonna do mine pretty well because I want to get all the fat out. You know, it's probably better that way. So the reason why I think Mistache is good is because it is salt-free, which is important because that's going to help you manage your sodium intake when you're on a renal diet. So if you guys are looking for low sodium options but a way to still brighten up your meals with some flavor, I recommend Mistache. Looks really good. While I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm going to have my favorite snack, which is now peanut butter and graham crackers, because I am a hungry boy. So good. What's funny is, like, this was my hospital food that I had every night, and now that I'm out of the hospital, it's all I crave. Peanut butter, graham crackers. So good. So I think the burgers look pretty done. I'm pretty happy with that so far. So now that I believe they're cooked properly, I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna move these over, and I'm gonna crack my eggs. Oh, nailed it! Hell yeah! Uh-oh. That was a rookie move, guys. I gotta figure out how to fix that. We got the eggs cooking right now, or at least they're trying to. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Mistache on my burgers. Chipotle Southwest, salt-free. I think that's enough. We're gonna put some peppers and onions on there. You know, add a little vegetables, why not? That looks good. We'll add a little bit of salad on there. Put those in the fridge for later. Add some fresh salad. Ooh la la. Oh, that looks good already, guys. Look at this. And then I'll add 2 eggs. And we have ourselves some homemade burgers, guys. Look at this. I am officially a chef. This is an exciting development in my life. I knew that I always needed to learn how to cook eventually, so I guess it took kidney failure for me to get there, but we're here and we're gonna learn how to cook. And this is my training wheel, first time. I'm excited. Let me know what you guys, does this food look good? Let me know what you guys think in the comments if this food looks good. Would you eat that? Would you eat that burger? Yeah, once the eggs are cooked, I'm gonna throw it on and then we'll give it a taste test for you guys, all right? All right, guys, so the eggs are kind of a hot mess, but they still look like they cooked pretty well, so that's the most important part, is that they're cooked fully through. So I'm gonna take my eggs and I'm gonna throw them on top of the burger. Oh boy, throw them on the burgers. I really fucked that up. Should probably get a real pan next time. It's all right though, baby steps. Baby steps. Well, that one came out nice. Got some egg whites. You can get all the egg whites, guys. This is the good protein right here. Here we go, guys. The big reveal. Ooh la la. That does look pretty damn good. Check it out. Check that out, guys. Now that is a burger. That is a burger right there. Look at that. Still piping hot. Here we go. Oh, that's good. I think I could use more of the chipotle seasoning. But that was really good, guys. It tastes very fresh. Not salty at all. Guys, this is Renal diet approved. Wow. Overall, in terms of what I spent on these ingredients, I spent about 30 bucks in Joe Biden's America. So 30 bucks is gonna get me 4 really healthy burgers, which is not bad, because one of these burgers would probably be about 15 bucks at a restaurant. So I basically saved 50% by cooking it myself, and I had more control over the ingredients, which is what I need given my situation. So what I hope this proves to you guys is that you can still eat the foods you want. You just have to be more thoughtful and strategic about it. You know, like there are ways to still have pizza and potatoes. It just takes more effort and more work. So, you know, I'm up for the challenge. I'm excited. I'm a growing boy. And hopefully meals like this is going to help my body heal and recover from the disease that I now have to face. So, thanks again for watching, guys. If you found this useful, like it, comment, share, and yeah, let me know if you guys have some recipes you'd like to see me make in the future. Drop in the comments. As always, be free, my sheeple. God bless Trump, and let's go, Brandon.